All right. So on this exercise, um, we are sorry, my dog is like, okay, so we are converting logarithmic to exponential. So we have this general format right here. So this is a logarithmic format, and it could be converted into exponential this way, but you have a double-sided or double directional arrow. So that means if you have exponential first, you can also convert it into logarithmic. Okay, so it's go back and forth. All right. Okay, so let's check our first question here. So this is obviously a logarithmic equation wherein this is your base right here, this is your argument, and this is your index. Now, according to the formula, so you have log base argument equals um, log base argument equals your exponent. So your C here represents your exponent. So this is our exponent. Now, if we change this one into an exponential, obviously we're more familiar with an exponential form. This is your base, exponent, and argument. So the base here will be the base, the argument right after your base that goes after the equal sign. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so in here, this is your base to base exponent, which is the one after the equal sign. So base exponent equals argument. That's your argument. So this, that, and then that. Okay, so that's the sequence. All right, so let's try it. This, that, and then that. So that will be 4 to the power of negative 3 equals 164. Okay, let's try it again. All right, base exponent argument. So that would be base 3 to the power of 2 equals x. That's how simple it is. Now, if you notice in number 4, we do not see a base. So if you do not see a base, that only means one thing. There is a default base, and that is 10. So every time you don't see a base, that means that the base is 10. So if we convert that, that's going to be the same thing. That and then that, right? So you have 10 power of 2 equals 100. All right. For number 5, I'm going to write it here. ln 6 equals ln 6 equals y. Now, every time you see ln really is like this, log of e. Okay, so the base is e. So when you see ln, that's, you can in your brain, if it's hard to remember that it's a log e, or I mean just ln means base e, then you can maybe write just, like like a little bit of a way to process it. You can do log e 6 equals y. Then you can follow the same format, base, exponent, and then argument. So now you will rewrite this as e to the power of y equals 6. Okay, let's try again. Let's try another number. ln um, 10 equals x. And so that means you can rewrite this as log e10 equals x. So therefore you will have base, exponent, argument. So now you can write it as e to the power of x equals 10. Okay? If you want to try this in the comments and see what is the correct. Try to convert it into an exponential expression, log 5 x equals y. Okay? Try to do that in exponential expression. See you then.